Welcome back. We all know that Spotify is the world's most popular music streaming service, so there's a good chance you're a regular user. But however well you know it, there are always new features to try. In this video, we've pulled out some hidden, or lesser known features from the mobile app, to help you get even more enjoyment from your listening. Excited? Then stick till the end. And those who are watching, make sure to subscribe for more tech updates. Let's begin. One of its newest features, Spotify Blend, allows users to create a shared playlist with one other person. It's a neat and creative way of getting to know the musical tastes of your friends, and this feature even serves up a taste match score based on how compatible your music choices are, along with customized cover art. Users can able to manually create shared playlists, but Spotify Blend can now do all the hard work for you. If you want to know how to use Spotify Blend and to create unique playlists, then comment below, and I will upload it as a separate video. Despite having an impressive library of around 70 million songs, occasional tracks like live recordings, remixes, or back albums will not be listed on Spotify for some reason. If you already own copies of the missing content in MP3 format, you can add your own tunes to Spotify, so that you can listen to your favorite songs wherever you go. You'll need to be using Spotify's desktop app for Mac or Windows PC to do this, but you'll then be able to sync them to your phone for future listening. Creating a playlist for a particular mood or event is a favorite pastime for many music lovers. But any gaps or dead air between tracks can be a mood killer. DJs learn the art of transitioning one track into another using a technique known as crossfading. By default, Spotify doesn't add any crossfade to songs automatically, but it offers functionality within a menu. With this, listeners can experience a smooth transition between songs in a playlist. We all love to listen to music on Spotify, but there's nothing quite like seeing your favorite artist or band perform live in front of a big crowd. The live music events industry has taken a battering, as lockdowns have prevented audiences from gathering around the world, and experiencing live music again is something any serious music fan will be excited about. Spotify will serve up a screen showing performance dates near to your location, and to sites where you can buy tickets for the event. Okay, this one isn't exactly hidden, but it's always worth a reminder. If you want to play music on your mobile devices without Wi-Fi connectivity, you'll need to know how to download songs. If you have a free account, you can download podcasts only, but Spotify Premium subscribers can download up to 10,000 songs on up to 5 different devices. It's important to understand that there are some limitations, and that you won't be able to download individual songs directly, only albums, playlists, and podcasts. However, you can put individual songs in a new playlist and download that. And once you've done that, those downloaded songs will be available for offline play, even if you're listening to another playlist. Was this video useful? If yes, do subscribe to our channel. And if you have any suggestions, feel free to use the comment section. See you all in the next video. And until then, goodbye.